What's up everyone? Today I am walking you through how to get the best possible deal on hosting a self-hosted N8N plan step by step so you don't leave any savings on the table. First thing, grab the discount link. It's in the description and also pinned in the comments. I've organized the links by country so you get pricing in your local currency with the correct regional offer. Find yours and click it. This link carries a special 20% off code that applies automatically at checkout. That's twice what most generic codes give you, and it also unlocks a free domain name on top. Once you're on the Hostinger site, look at the top navigation bar and click on Services. From the menu, find and select the self-hosted N8N option. This brings up the VPS hosting plans built specifically for running N8N, KVM1, KVM2, KVM2, KVM4, and KVM8. These are proper KVM-based virtual servers. Your N8N instance runs in a fully isolated environment with dedicated resources. For context, KVM1 works if you're just experimenting. KVM2 is the go-to for most active workflows, and KVM4 or KVM8 makes sense once your automations are running at scale. Today I am picking KVM2, hit the plan, proceed to checkout, and you'll see your 20% discount reflected in the order summary automatically, along with the free.com domain if you are a new customer. Register using a fresh email to make sure you qualify for new user benefits. That's the full process, clean, fast, no wasted money. If you found this useful, like the video and subscribe. I post regular N8 and automation tutorials, so there's plenty more coming. Catch you in the next one.